Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to install WordPress website. So we know that WordPress is a content management system. It's the most famous content management system. Millions of websites are developed using WordPress, and the most used CMS is WordPress only. So let's see how to install WordPress in your local systems. First, you have to download WordPress. So for that, we have to go to download WordPress sessions. In Google, you have to type download WordPress. So it will take you to WordPress.org. Download. Open that. This is the WordPress official website. They are providing the WordPress versions, everything. Come down. Here you can see the download WordPress. Click on that button. It's downloading. So download completed. This is the latest version 5.2.4. There are a lot of versions. This is the latest one. WordPress 5.2.4. So next is it's download already. We are going to copy this and we are going to paste a folder inside SAM. Here pasted. I created htdocs folder inside that some blog folder. So what is this field? Let's see. We know that WordPress is a PHP framework, PHP content management systems. So for that, you should run PHP MySQL and Apache for that. So that first you have to install SAMP in your system. SAMP is Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It's a built-in package of all the three softwares. So it's SAMP means it's X indicate it's not depend on the OS. If it is WAM means it's only for Windows. It will work with both Linux and Windows. First you have to download SAMP from online and you have to install. After installing, when you type SAMP, it will show SAMP control panel. This is a SAMP control panel. Here we have Apache MySQL. To start that, we are already running. We can stop it. Let's stop it. If you want to start again, start it and start. Starting means it will show here the color difference. So MySQL start and Apache already running. Both are running. So you have to. So when you install SAM, automatically inside whatever folder you have selected, SAM htdoc it will. I have selected C, so SAM htdoc automatically it will be there. You have to create your own file. I created blog folder in that I created blog folder here. There is a blog folder and I copied the download WordPress file here. Then extract that WordPress is extracting. So that's completed. You have WordPress for directory inside that all files are there. I copied all these files to the blog folder. This actual directory we are going to install the WordPress. See here WordPress having three main folders: WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. These are the three main folders for WordPress, and we have configuration for WordPress. So this section for files are done. Now we have to create a database for that. So before that, we'll check it out how it will work. We know that SAM install means it's localhost, automatically localhost server is on. Here, like I have typed localhost blog is my website name. If I enter, it will ask for the language. Actually, WordPress nowadays the advanced WordPress support most of languages like English, some other language, Chinese, Arabic, everything is supporting. So local language is also supporting. So it's one of the good features and latest features for WordPress. We can install our own language with WordPress. So next I'm going to install continue. So I selected English. Here the main step they are asking before going you have to create a database, you have to create a database username, you have to create a database password, and you have to have a database host. So we don't have that. First, you have to create that. How to create that? We'll see. We know we have SAMP is there. It is running. MySQL is running and PHP running. So if you want open MySQL, you have to type localhost PHP admin in your browser. So it will open you like this. Then you have to click database. Here I'm going to create a database blog. Create. So database blog is created. Next is you have to create a user. Here I'm going to create a new user. Already root user will be there. That is a default user, but we are not going to use that. You can, if you want, you can use that root password, root and the password. Here I'm going to create a new user. Here my new username is. You can select whatever you want. I go and blog. Here localhost. Hostname is localhost because you are inside the system. We are not going hosting in the internet. So for that we have to change the domain name. Here I'm going to give localhost. Then I have to type password. I'm generating the password. Generate password only use that. Then this golden global privileges. You have to give check out because this user have insert, update, delete, every option they need. Alter table, log table, everything it should be under the blog user. So they have the privilege to do everything. So everything come up correctly. You add a new user and you have database. So everything is good. So I have to go to WordPress setup again. Yes, everything is ready. I'm going to install. Let's go. It will ask for the username, database username, that is blog, database username also, blog we are given, password. We are using the password, automatically generated password. This host is, I said localhost. Then previous you can give WP. If you want any other previous you can give the, it's an optional. So you're going to submit that. It's ready. And the installation, let's go and install the WordPress. So you have to give site name, blog I have given. Then the username, here I'm going to give username admin. Password, I have given password. Then email ID, you have to give our own email ID. I have given my own. If search engine visibility is there, we can give can visible, discourage search engine from indexing the site, or encourage. You can have to encourage because we are going for displaying in the internet later stage. Then this is the final install WordPress. It will take a little more time. Wow, success. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. As I said, we are given username is admin. Then password you have to choose. Username I have given admin. Password is I have copied that password and login. Wow, everything is ready. This is the WordPress admin side. Here we can content management. So we have section to post. Here already allow word is there. I'm going to add new post. Add new. You have to type the title. Hello testing. So this is the new version. Title you can give hello test only. Content You can give anything. Hello test, hello, hello, and just sure to publish. Then you can view the post in new tab. So this is the post what we have added. This is the blog. So this all layout and all we can change. We have theme in appearance themes. You can choose your own themes. I'm changing theme. Activate. We have a lot of themes and you can download themes from the WordPress org or any other website. This theme is activated. Then you can new activated themes. See that this is the new theme. So this is our content. Hello test, hello test. If you test it, the post will come. So like this, we can you can customize your own blog or your own content. This is so simple, right? So this you can try today only. Thank you.